Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, this is Samsung all-in-one PC. It's around 13 to 14 years old PC. The model number DP515A2G. Okay, so as you can see here, it shows Windows 11 wallpaper in here because I successfully able to install Windows 11 in it. So today in this video I'm going to show you, if you do have any sort of old PC like that, especially all-in-one PC, you can easily install Windows 11 and it doesn't require any sort of hardware configuration. Okay, so first of all you need to have one UEFI Windows 11 installer thumb drive. Once you have it, you can connect it at the back, which is the USB port, and then what you're going to do, we're going to switch it off, we're going to turn on, we're going to keep pressing F2 to get into BIOS. Once we get into BIOS, we're going to change a couple of settings. Okay, first things that we will need to find out, where is the secure boot settings. Once we find the secure boot settings, we're going to enable it, and then second one is the boot priority option. From there we need to instruct this BIOS to boot it up from the USB stick. Means the bootable Windows installer would be the first boot priority. So here we go. We can see here Samsung BIOS configuration. There are 4 major settings that you can see. The highlighted one, the red one is details about this machine, second one advanced. So from here we'll try to find nothing almost. So let's go to security. As you can see here, this is the secure boot. We're going to keep it standard. Then we're going to go back. And now we're going to get into boot option. From here, as you can see, the boot priority option at the bottom, at the top. And from here, we're going to choose first boot from our Windows 11 installer. Once we've done that, we're going to save it. Once we save, we're going to restart the system. And once we restart it, it's going to load it up from Windows 11 installer. Okay, I couldn't believe because there was no any sort of error message or anything. It just took Windows 11 like this machine built in 2025, something like that. So as you can see here, we're going to choose all our perspective, and then we're going to hit next, accept the terms and condition, choose the right drive to install the Windows, and then we're going to hit next, and it's going to copy all files and folders into the C directory. Then we're going to finalize. Once we finalize it, once the Windows setup has done, we will need to update the drivers. But lucky me, this machine Wi-Fi driver automatically up-to-dated from the Windows driver, default driver. So I don't have any sort of struggling with Wi-Fi driver. And then once you connect to the Wi-Fi, then you can go for update checkup from the Windows default program, and then it's going to download all the necessary drivers automatically and install it automatically. We're going to restart a couple of times, and then it should be smooth like a brand new PC. Hopefully you would enjoy the rest of the video. If you do, please thumbs up and don't forget to leave your question in the comment section. Thank you.